Boys and girls, we have a lot to talk about today. Bitcoin has broken back into our parallel channel. I told you about this in yesterday's video. I told you this was a good possibility, what I was looking out for. And I actually hopped into an Ethereum trade last night. So we're back in these trades from the bottom here on Ethereum. I did alert the premium members over in Discord last night that I was hopping into this trade. Hopefully we would wake up in the morning, we'd be sitting pretty, and this is obviously working out beautifully. TP1 was already hit on this trade, but I'm going to show you what I'm looking for on Bitcoin as far as its Elliott wave structure. If you're loving these daily videos, guys, and these daily updates, come on, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Half of you are watching these videos and you're not even subscribed. I mean, daily content. Who else is bringing this type of analysis to you? Nobody. Like the video if you're getting something out of these videos, and let's just dive right into it, people. Wasting no time here. So I'm looking at a couple things here on Bitcoin. Beautiful breakup. I am worried. There is a great amount of liquidity right here. All right, I'm just going to start by saying that there's a nice amount of liquidity sitting right here. Will they keep it there? For now, I want to say yes. If you have been watching my videos, I have been calling since we were down here for this level to get tapped or taken out. And ultimately, just looking at this, I want to see some type of an ABC correction, at least up to the 786 level, which would be right here, would be 63.4. I'm ultimately viewing this as a flat. At this point, I'm viewing this as a flat, and I'm looking to impulse up for this last leg. And the impulse is the form of an ending diagonal for me. So ending diagonals do like to channel. Quick liquidity sweep out of the channel. We are back into the channel. So this is still a live count for me. And I'm going to show you where you can get into this trade, guys. Now, I do want to say, join the free Discord linked in the description below. My Elliott Wave course is now free. Included in the free Discord. You just head over to the Learn channel. I have all of the Elliott Wave materials and my Elliott Wave course free in there. And if you want to get access to my daily alerts, my 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts, indicators included, and full access to me in the chat, I am upping the price of the premium membership tomorrow. So today is your last day to get in, and to tomorrow night, I will up it to $98 a month. It is too cheap. $98 will still be too cheap. So lock in the current price now. For the future, for life, you will lock in your price and use code 25 off for $25 off your first month. Code 25 off will give you $25 off your first month. This is your final warning. The price will increase tomorrow night. So get in now while it is still at a suppressed price. It's way too cheap right now. Okay. Now, after you join Discord, what are we looking at here, guys? What are we looking at? I'm going to go over a couple different counts that could be playing out. For starters, looking at RSI and our indicators, we have now gotten into overbought territory. I told you we were oversold on these. We had to come up at least for a correction. We came up beautifully on Bitcoin. And now, I hate to say it, but we do have bearish divergence on a couple of the charts here. Bearish divergence is in play, but as we go longer time frame, you see there's still so much room to the upside. If we look at like the 10 hour, guys, look at this. This is nice and sharp. Can we get extension? The 12 hour, the daily, look at this. So on the daily time frame, we are now retesting yet again this RSI daily trend line. A breakthrough of this trend line would be mega bullish. I would be looking for this to get taken out at that point. All right. Now, the overall count that I am looking at, going back down to the 4-hour, what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do going into FOMC tomorrow is I have a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4 looking to 5. 5 can break out of the channel. Just note, it does like to overthrow out of the channel on an ending diagonal. So we have a correction up, correction down, correction up, correction down. I am looking for a correction up. Now, we could overnight have some type of nice correction down, like so. Come back in, fill this, maybe come down, test the channel one more time. I would expect it not to fully come down and hit the channel. To me, that would be kind of too easy of a trade. Too many people would be piling in at that point. I'm expecting some type of a small correction like so. And then we shoot up for our final wave. Very sharp upon FOMC. Maybe come into these higher fib targets around 67K. That would be best case scenario for me right now on this trade that I'm in Ethereum. Ethereum's kind of lagging behind Bitcoin right now. It is. Ethereum has a crap ton of liquidity down here as well. But for Ethereum, I would be looking at this more of like a WXY pattern. Right? Something like that. Maybe to 2600. Just from where it's at right now. Now, if Ethereum wants to pick up steam here overnight, yeah, it will look a lot better. But I don't know. I'm playing it by Bitcoin, where Bitcoin's at. If Bitcoin hits these levels, I will close out of my Ethereum trade no matter where we're at. So that's the ultimate structure that I'm looking for Bitcoin to play. I'm going to show you a couple other scenarios that are in play here as well. And you know, I am trading over on Blowfin, guys. If you want to try Blowfin, they are no KYC. It's what everyone is trading now. They're the best no KYC exchange out. You just sign up with your email and you're ready to freaking go. Pinned in the first comment, I hooked you guys up with a link for a $100 refund on your first losing trade with this link. So if you want to give them a try, throw in a trade, or if you're looking to switch exchanges, definitely check them out. You will get refunded $100 on your first losing trade. So go capitalize on this right now with that link and get making some money with us, baby. But yeah, we're looking good right now. We're looking good right now. Kind of playing it by ear. Waiting to see where this actually tops out. We're kind of consolidating here. I'm expecting some of this to get recovered. But yeah, we're looking good. And ultimately what I'm looking for is a corrective shape, and then I'll be looking for another hit higher, right? If this wants to wave out, hit, and give us a 5-wave shape, and then correct, and then hit again, it can do that, right? So it all depends. That's why you got to be in the Discord, guys. I'm telling you, I am updating everyone on what I am seeing constantly. I'm constantly scanning the charts. So lock in the current price now, I'm telling you. Now, another account that is in play here is more of a WXY, still valid. I would expect a little bit higher here to the 1-to-1. Could even come to the 1272, right? So if this keeps going with no signs of a pullback, I'm really going to be watching out for this. We have a correction up for a W wave, correction down for our X wave, correction up, correction down, correction up for our Y wave, right? It's just a double correction. Could be the case. 1-to-1, 61.7K. I'm really watching that level. If it breaks through, 63.5. So I want to see some type of consolidation leading into FOMC, a final pump through. Ultimately, that's what I'm looking for. But it depends on how this wave plays out here. But yeah, looking great, guys. Looking great. I just wanted to update you on what I'm seeing on the charts here. We will see what FOMC brings tomorrow. Expect some high volatility. Quick update for you, though. I appreciate you watching. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. I love you all. I'll see you tomorrow for FOMC, baby. Let's go.